Okay, so factory update. Exciting day. We are moving the first quarter of the roof onto the EcoPod right over there. So we have the full roof EcoPod, which is kind of like a donut shape. There's a disc that's being made separately that goes inside, but this is kind of the container that goes all the way around. So we're putting the first one up right now, and it's made of, let's see, there's 7 pieces per quarter section. So the total roof has a total of 28 pieces, and the first 7 pieces are going up right now. We've been fixing the connectors up on the EcoPod so that it'll receive and it'll just snap into place. Well, snap relatively. It's not perfect yet. Remember, this is all, we're figuring things out as we go along. We're doing a lot of engineering, computer modeling, design, but the first one is a lot of experimentation, a lot of figuring things out. So it takes a long time, it takes a lot of time. But once now this first one is done, then we know exactly, okay, this is what we need, this is what we're shooting for, and then we have like certainty. We can move forward 100% versus never having anything like this done before and not knowing which process or which elements are going to be locked and approved for production. So we're getting everything approved for production. I think this is ready to send up, and okay, there we go. Okay, so we're here at the factory. We're doing an interesting operation today. This is the roof for the EcoPod. We're ready now to move it up and onto the pod itself. So we're going to start moving the first quarter of the pod, of the roof. There's 3 more quarters, obviously. We're ready now to put the first one down. We should be able to put the other 3 pieces on. I think we should be ready to go today. If not, it'll be tomorrow. The roof, the way it is right now, it's like a big donut. So there's a center disc, which we're still in the process of making. We've made 1 quarter of the disc so far, but we made a mold, so now we can actually produce like 1 disc a day, or 1 quarter section per day. So probably by Monday, we'll have the disc completed, and then we can move it all on by Tuesday, Wednesday next week, and then we're going to have a full roof, which would be fantastic because we've been using this temporary blue tarp to keep the rain and the elements out. So it's going to make it a lot easier for us to do the internal work and the internal finishing. The windows should be here in about 2 weeks. We'll put them in, then it'll be even better. So things are coming along really nicely. Wanted to definitely catch this on video because this is not a big operation, but it's a major minor operation. So let's see how it unfolds.